Yes! Meron na kaming fish. Tetra.
And
Put it
guys,
right here.
you're gonna put it in the aquarium.
What's the name of your fish?
Eliza and fish.
Yung isang fish, anong name niya?
Eliza and fish.
Ganon. Okay. Sige. Let's put it in. Yan. Okay. Make it on focus, Han. Huwag mawakan, B.
A dark again.
Okay. We already transferred the fish. Okay. May isda na yung fountain ni Gab. Okay. So, let's put it back and let's turn on the fountain in the room. Okay. May isda na, guys.
Guys,
There are 4 fish. Yan ang pet ni Gab dito sa kwarto.
guys, ito ko yun. Guys,
Wow, Gab. They look fantastic. I think, Gab, they like the plant.